Hi there everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me for another demonstration today. We're going to be creating a lovely cat card. We're going to use the graphite with our brayer, so I'm just going to ink up, taking a little bit off. As you can see, it's quite a juicy ink pad. I don't want too much ink on the background, I don't want it to be too dark. And then using our fan brush, I'm going to pick up a little bit of colour. We've got orange. Just take that initial ink off and then just tiny little dots. Just cover the gel press. And then we're going to use the Prussian blue. And then I've got some multifarious card here. This is the cream. And I'm going to pop that over the top. Give that a smooth over. And let's see what we've got. Wow. It's just a real sort of vintage colour, especially with the cream card. I do like that combination. And now we're going to ink up our cats. So we've got the Nocturne. Oh, we've got a little spot there. Okay, if that happens, all you need to do is pick up the black. I've got the very end of the smoothie here and we just cover it like that. And now we're going to ink up the cat and we'll pop him along down by the side. He'll mask here and I'm going to go that way. And then taking our stencil brush, and this time I'm going to use Twilight. And all I'm doing is just flicking the ink up. This just gives a little bit of depth down at the bottom. So now we're going to use some foliage all around them so they look like they're sitting in a garden, just watching the world go by, as cats do. Have we got any cat fans out there? Or are you both cats and dogs, or just dogs? Okay, so I'm inking up in Twilight now. I think I'm going to stamp off first. I don't want that to be too overpowering. Let's use another little foliage stamp here that we've got. And this time I'm going to ink up in the Warm Breeze. So I'm sticking to the colours that I've used in the background. And this time I'm inking up Summertime. And then lastly, we've got some nice words, and I'm going to ink these up in Warm Breeze. And then going back to the Twilight, inking up our stencil brush, I'm going to bring that around the card just to frame it and pull your eye into the centre. And I'm just going to dot Posca pens, a little bit of magic. And we've got our quickie glue pen. And let's go with the Christmas tinsel. That's probably as close as I can get to the orange. So again, I'm going to just dot, and there we have our finished card. And you can see that lovely glitter there at the bottom. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's demonstration, guys. Thanks so much for joining me. You take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.